Hello, my dear lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 7 of the series My Love Mix Up. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Aoki ran to Hashimoto. She told him that at the camp, seeing Aoki's courage, she thought of confessing to Akun. So, she told Akun that she likes him. She told him that she likes him from the day she met him at the entrance exam. But Akun didn't actually remember anything, so she assumed her to be rejected. Although she was happy for Aoki, but was sad for herself. Suddenly, she decided to get a regent hairstyle as Akun likes it. Although Aoki tried to convince her not to do it, but she made an appointment. As she was determined to do it, Aoki asked Akun to tell Hashimoto not to do it, as she was doing it because of him. He said that he didn't wanted his loved Hashimoto to be like it. Just then Ida comes and hears all this. Aoki tried to explain him the situation, but Ida left. Aoki followed him. Ida asked Aoki to go out with him. As usual, Aoki's thoughts were going wild, so he calmed himself and asked Ida if he would like to have lunch with him at the school rooftop. Ida agreed. Aoki was really happy to hear it. Akun told Aoki that he didn't had a pleasant memory of Hashimoto on day they met for the first time, and Hashimoto heard it. They both started fighting, leaving Aoki with no option. Ida asked him the concern, but seeing Aoki, he invited him to go for lunch, and Toyodo saw them. As Aoki wasn't talking much, so Ida asked what is troubling him so much. Aoki told him everything about Akun and Hashimoto, and also that she is getting a regent hairstyle for Akun. Aoki wanted to help them but was unsuccessful in doing so. Ida tried to comfort him and knows that Aoki is good at worrying about others. Akun came to stop Hashimoto to be a regent. Aoki reached there as well to stop her, and this time they succeeded in stopping her to do it. Akun and Hashimoto were returning together. He told her that he can't go out with her yet. He likes her as a friend, as she is comfortable to talk to. She was happy to be by his side, even as a friend. They were getting closer to each other. As Akun and Hashimoto were normal in class, Aoki is tension free now. So Ida asked Aoki to always share his problems with him, as he wanted to support him since they are dating. So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 8. Thank you.